Welcome again to the channel Ride&Trivia. Today I am going to take a ride from Bengaluru to BRhills, and I will show you on the map which route actually I am going to take. This is the route which I am going to take from BTM to BRhills, which is around 162 kilometers, and the route will be mostly NH 948. I will tell you an interesting fact about NH 948 in the further video. And here it is, the green line of Namma Metro Bengaluru. Right now, I think this line covers around 50 kilometers approximately. It connects Nagasandra in the northwest region of Bangalore to Silk Institute in south. The bridge which you are looking at is over the river Akravati. It is one of the 6 mountain rivers which originate from Nandi Hills, and it is an important river for Karnataka. It is also a tributary of river Kaveri. So, the trivia time. This is National Highway 948. It connects Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu with the city of Bengaluru. The interesting fact about this highway is that it passes through a tiger reserve which is known as Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. So if you are lucky enough, you can spot a few wildlife on that part of the route. Today, actually, I'm not going to that tiger reserve because it is, I think, more than 200 kilometers from Bengaluru. I will be returning back from BRhills. So, this is River Kaveri, a sacred river of southern India. It rises on Brahmagiri hills of the Western Ghats in Karnataka. It is around 800 kilometers long and runs through the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and descends the Eastern Ghats in series of great waterfalls before emptying itself into the Bay of Bengal. Also known as Dakshin Ganga, the Kaveri River is celebrated for the scenery and sanctity, and its entire course is considered holy ground. This is the entry point of BRhills. This is a forest checkpost. There is no entry fee for entering into this area, but you do have to fill your details in the entry register. So here we are at the start of Eastern Ghats, the BR Hills. The full form of BR is Biligiri Rangana. It is a protected wildlife reserve, and I think this site was also declared as Tiger Reserve in 2011. In Kannada, Biligiri means White Hills. The reason for calling it White Hills, I don't know exactly, but read it somewhere that it is covered in white clouds throughout the year, and that is why we call it Biligiri Hills. From the internet, I also found out that this reserve has around 60 or 62 tigers as surveyed in 2017. I hope I could find some in this ride. I was not lucky enough to find any wildlife except a few monkeys on this drive. I hope if you visit here, you could find some. I'm going to end this video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.